show you the Transformers playset from Play-Doh. It's called Autobot Workshop, where cars roll in and robots roll out. Here's everything that comes in the box. 4 modes, tools, workshop, and 4 cans of Play-Doh.
Autobots, transform!
First, let's make a Camaro car using orange Play-Doh. Just place the dough inside the mold, close it tight, remove the excess, and there you go, it just made a car. Now it's time to transform this car into Bumblebee. Place your car in the workshop platform and change the mode to Bumblebee. And just remove the excess dough and you're done. Now let's make Optimus truck using blue Play-Doh. Again, just place the truck in the workshop platform and change the mode to Optimus.
I am Optimus Prime.
Oigan, ¿y todos?
And best of all, with this playset, you can also transform your Disney Pixar Play-Doh cars into Autobots. Let's make Lightning McQueen. It's time to transform McQueen into Bumblebee. Here's Italian racer Francesco Bernoulli. Autocar, transform! And this one is the French racer Raoul Sehul. Thanks YouTubers for watching this video.